Most people think discipline is hard. Waking up early, eating on time, staying consistent sounds painful, right? But what if I told you there's an ancient Indian method that makes discipline feel effortless? Not with motivation, not with willpower, just a simple daily rhythm. Sounds too good to be true? Keep watching. In ancient Indian tradition, building discipline wasn't about force, it was about alignment. You wake up at the same time, eat at the same time, sleep at the same time, and work at a fixed time every day. This consistency trains your body and mind to run on autopilot. And the best part? You stop relying on motivation. Discipline becomes your default setting. Start simple. Choose just 2 things to fix your timing. Maybe wake up and sleep. Do it for 7 days and feel the change. Like this video if you're ready to build discipline the easy way. And follow for more ancient wisdom that actually works.